Hello students, on behalf of Sri Uttam Secondary English School, Anjar, we are going to introduce the paper pattern of SSC board on the base of GACB structure of question paper, you may say model paper. Do you know, due to COVID-19 in this year, all students are in troublesome situations regarding their study. They are not sure about their preparation for SSC board exam. So students, you also know that reduced syllabus is declared by education department, but many conflicts are there in the mind of students. So we are going to try our level best to make them easy and to learn and cover the course easily. Students are very much in worry about the study, how to prepare, what type of questions may be there and how many chapters are covered. So see, on the base of the structure of question paper of annual examination for the year of 2021 of subject science, we have made some dissections to make it easy to understand. So students, you know, in science there are 4 sections A, B, C, D, and they have their separate number of marks. So first you see section A will be of objective type questions, and in this section A, question number 1 to 24 are there. Students have to answer within the limit of 10 to 20 words, and each question carry 1 marks. Total marks 24, total number of questions 24. Students, you know, this section contains the questions like MCQ, MRQ, more than 1 answer type MCQ, true or false, fill in the blanks, definitions, units, formula, very short answer questions, 1 word and 1 sentence answer type question, full name, pairs, etc. Students, in this section no option is given there, but you have to attend 1 to 24 questions are compulsory. And for the preparation, which chapters you have to cover. So see, aspected chapters you can read here. Chapter number 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. These are the chapters you have to refer. You may say go through these chapters to cover. You may say secure maximum marks for this section. And section B, you know, short answer type questions are there. In this section, question number 25 to 36 are given there, and students have to answer in the limit of 40 to 50 words. So any 9 questions you have to attempt out of 12, and 2 marks each question. So students, section B of 18 marks, and chapters you have to prepare for section B to secure 2 marks for each question are 1, 3, 5, 8, 12, 13, 15, 16. So this way you can prepare and be confident. Now section C, short answer type questions are there, and in this section question 37 to 45 are there. Any 6 out of 9 you have to attempt there, and 3 marks each question. Chapters to prepare for this: 1, 3, 7, 8, 10, 12. and total number of marks 18 for section C. Then next see section D, a long answer type questions. In this section, question number 46 to 53 are there. Any 5 out of 8 you have to attempt and 4 marks each question. Total marks of this section D for 20 marks. Chapters to be covered for this section 2, 4, 6, 11 and 13. So students, in this way we have tried our level best to make it easy to understand what type of paper style and how many chapters may be there and which chapters you have to learn, so that it will be easy for all the students, those who are going to appear in board examination. So I think it will be easy for all and you can work hard. Thank you very much.